Um, I completely misunderstood this question and I did some wrong thing. About for 21 minutes I was recording this video and I went through solution and I have to do it again. So let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. I will explain the question in a bit. Question. Uh yeah. So basically we are given a list of words and there is a pattern. Okay. Now this this wording and this this is quite confusing. I didn't exactly understand the question. So let me explain to you in a simple terms. So what it means is we have like A B B as a pattern, right? So now we have to find the words that follow this pattern. So A can be matched with any of the starting letters. That's the base thing. So we have to match this pattern. So I what I did was I just thought that the frequency of characters should match. So I wrote the code in that way, but it's not the case. Actually, pattern means um, it should match each and everything. So each and everything means it should match the frequency, it should match the order, and uh, it should like be the same. The only thing is you cannot match same word for anything else. uh, for example, if you are matching A for A and B for B, then you cannot match again A B for C. So that's the only thing. So keeping that in mind, there is a simple solution that you can find here, and I'm what I understand on that basis I'm going to write it. So what we are going to do is we are going to use two maps. Okay, so in map 1 I'm going to take a character from this pattern, which is A, and then I'm iterating over the first word. I will map it to the first letter in this case A, and then in second uh, for second character I'm going no so for second map I'm going to take this A and map it to this A. So yeah, now it's matching, right? And then um going next in a let's call this as M1 map 1 and map 2. Now we get B. So for this B I'm going to match with the B in the word, and for B in the word I'm going to match it with the pattern. And now for the last character, right, again we get B. Okay, and we are trying to match it with the um, match it with C. But and for C we are going to match it with B. So now this does not match because B is to C and C is to B, right? That's the case. Let's take this example MEE. So M1 M2, we are matching A to M, and we are matching M to A. That's good. We are going to match B to E, and E to E, and again we are going to match B to E. So in that way, right? So let's go through the solution again. That's what they are saying. So if the character in the word is not in M, then put it in the M. If character in the pattern is not in the M2, put it into M2. Right? We are putting this M into this, we are putting this P into this, and if this word, so we are making a tuple, right? We are making a tuple of the two characters, getting these characters. If they are not equal to exactly opposite of each of them, then we return false. And this this would not be added because we are going to only add it if it is not present, and that's gonna catches the um catches the word. So let's do that. Let's see. We have M1 and M2 as an empty maps, and for each character in word comma character in pattern, right, in zip words comma patterns, right. What we are going to do is, if so character word let me call it as word pattern so pattern map word map. So we are going to put word into word map and pattern into pattern map. So if ch word is not in word map, I think we have to do opposite, right? Pattern map. So if ch word not in pattern map, then pattern map dot add ch word, and pattern map of ch word is going to be ch pattern. And if character in pattern not in word map, then word map of ch pattern is going to be ch word. Yep, that's correct. Okay, so now we have added these two things, and once we have done that, we know that these characters should be exactly equal, right? So let's do that. If let's make a tuple. So get the character from pattern map for this word, and get the character for word from word map for this pattern, and check if it is equal to what we are adding it, right? So this comma this, and if it is not equal to, then return false, otherwise return true. uh, so these guys use something like a filter and lambda, right? So I am not aware of that, but what I'm going to do is I am going to do something which is writing a for loop. So for word in words, do these things, and if it doesn't match, break. Sorry, match is equal to true. um let's make a match is false and then break, and if match, then this should be inside. For each word match should be true, and we have result outside. Result dot append the word and return the result. Let's see. Cool. Somehow I solved it using, yeah. Sorry.